Greetings and various assorted salutations. What we're looking at today is kind of how to have multiple things up on your computer screen so that you can work on things and be able to see everything you're doing. The idea behind this is, say you have an assignment where you need to use like an ebook, like the online textbook, or you're watching a video and you're filling in questions. It would be really nice if you could have those things up side by side. And one of the advantages of a Windows 10 computer, which this instructions are designed for, is you can do that. So let's go ahead and show you how to do it. So often in my classes, I will include a link to the online textbook as a useful resource for things, or in some cases it's required for use. So to get to it, what you would do is you have the link here, and it will often open up in a new tab. If the thing that you're trying to access does not open up in a new tab, what you may have to do is right-click on it and click Open Link in New Tab or Open Link in New Window. You'll find out in a second that it really doesn't matter which one you need to use. If you open up in a new tab, now you'd really like the online textbook to be in a separate window entirely. Well, what you can do is you can left-click and drag out, and now I have this screen and it's a separate window. Now, what we can do here now is push this over here. You see how that appeared for a second? You let go, then all the programs you currently have open will appear over in the free open space. And I need the notebook, so let's click on that. And now I have the notebook and the online textbook open at the exact same time. This allows me to look over here and type in over here. One of the things you notice is it's not exactly even, or it didn't go over correctly. Let's fix that. There we go. But you'll notice that there's some pieces cut off on either side. You can adjust this by clicking here and an arrow two-headed arrow line appears, and you can adjust things this way. But you can adjust things. You can also adjust things like this. You may have to zoom in, zoom out on individual windows as needed, which you have controls for up here or with the zoom feature. You can also divide your screen up into quarters like this. And you can put in up to 4 items at once. Typically, this is harder to do because you need a really big screen to comfortably use everything. And this is just a really nice feature as opposed to bouncing back and forth between tabs. But, in any case, I hope this helps with allowing you to have an assignment up or a video up on one side of the screen and have the thing that you need to fill in on the other side of the screen. I guess that's all, and until later.